right, so we have the Eastwood Concours Pro. I've never sprayed this gun, didn't know it existed. I do own some Eastwood products and they are pretty decent, so let's see what we got here. Now this is a 1.3 HVLP. Says it's like 6.5 CFM. We're gonna find out. So alright, so we got our normal plastic cup. You'd think they would stop putting those in boxes by now. Brushes, tool, Allen wrench, useless filter. This one does not come with a high flow fitting. That's probably one of the first ones. Read this first. You see that? You see that initial cleaning? We're definitely going to clean this one before we use it. Never had to in 25 years, but I learned my lesson from one gun. Alright, so I do like the finish on this. It's really smooth. It's got that aluminum look to it. Everything feels smooth. The fan's really nice and tight, so it doesn't just spin around if you hit it. Everything feels good. It's kind of got a cheap finish on the nozzle there. Other than that, got a little machining nick right there. I don't quite like that, but I can't really feel it with my fingernail. I mean, it doesn't feel like a really super high-end gun, but it was like 170 bucks, so you think it would be pretty decent. But all in all, I mean, it does feel good. Trigger really doesn't have any play in it. Feels smooth. Everything feels pretty tight. Let's see here. Trigger goes back a long way. But yeah, let's get it hooked up and we'll see what it does. All right, guys, so we got our stuff all mixed up. We're gonna see what this thing can do, and we're gonna do a little test spray. Seems to be a pretty good wet fan. I do like it. I mean, it's not super wide, but it's really nice and wet, so it should put out pretty good. So let's get spraying here. We got old crackle-ack here. We got another roof that we got to do, and we're gonna see what happens. All right, it's nice and wet. It is definitely a nice wet fan. Sprays pretty even. Yeah, kind of amazed myself, to be honest with you. I mean, I have some Eastwood stuff, but you know, it's okay. Didn't know about their paint guns, but so far it's better than I thought it would be. Definitely better than I thought it would be. Yeah. All right, we'll let that flash off, come back, put another coat on, see what happens there. We're definitely gonna spray some clear out of it, but so far, I mean, I'm impressed for what it was, because I wasn't expecting anything like this so far. But we'll come back after this flashes off. All right, so it's flashed off. We're gonna put on our second coat. Put on a little heavier this time. The metallics in this color are just beautiful. I can't believe this thing's spraying like this so far. Kind of don't know what to think. I don't know if you can see those metallics. Look at that. I like those. Looks nice. But I'm definitely, I'm amazed right now, to be honest. And I didn't expect this out of this gun. I really didn't. Maybe that's not a good thing to say. but Eastwood's not really known for their paint guns, but they're known for a lot of stuff that you can spray. A lot of coatings. So, yeah, we'll put one more on. We're gonna spray some clear. We'll see how it handles that. That'll tell me what this gun's about. All right, so we got our clear mixed up, ready to go. And one thing I want to say is, I don't know if you know this, but like some paint guns have like a hard, stiff pattern, and some of them have that soft, it's like a soft pattern. It's hard to explain. And this one kind of has that. It's like a soft spray pattern. I don't know if you know what I'm talking about. Maybe you do. But I do like guns that spray like that. They seem to spray better than the other ones that are just hard, just forces everything out. It's not like a, you know, it's soft. It's hard to explain. But we're ready to go. This is dried out. It's like 95 degrees here, so everything's flashing really quick. I am going to put my respirator on because I'm no dum-dum. So if you're painting with clear, put your respirator on. You'll regret it later in life. Turn it up a little bit. Not so bad so far. Putting it on pretty good. I must say. Yeah, I must say. Pretty good so far. I must say that this gun sprays better than I thought. To be honest with you, this is not what I expected. This is not what I expected. But hey, shout out to Eastwood for making a pretty good gun, because I didn't expect this, to be honest. I was expected to be disappointed. But we'll let that flash off, put our second coat on, and then you know what time it is. All right, let's get our second coat on. It is tacked up long enough. That is really good. Yeah, that's really good. All right, let's come back in a little bit. All right, so we've got our second coat. And I mean, she is glass. I mean, yeah, it is a rounded, you know, it's a roof, which most roofs you can get pretty flat. It's not like, you know, it's like, oh my God, it came out like glass. Most of the time they do come out glass because they're contoured and curved, you know, whatever. Well, we got her all painted. This is for everybody that likes to see things when, you know, it's all finished up. So this is it done, painted, outside, ready to be picked up. As you can see, turned out really, really, really good. Usually I don't, you know, go ahead and show the videos of them done, but you know, some people have asked for it, so I figured why not. But turned out really good. I like that spray gun, so I do recommend it. Turned out really, really nice. Really like that color. The color is just nice. All right, guys. But, you know, sounds like people cutting my grass are here. Figures, right when you're doing something. But I was not expecting this, to be honest. This gun really surprised me. It surprised me with a lot of things. So, you know, the fan on it, the fan's pretty good. You know, it's got a good fan. All the controls are nice and smooth. Fan knob's nice, and it's not too stiff. It's just right, so that way it doesn't move. The coating on it, like I had paint on it, I just sprayed, you know, or just, you know, took my little cleaner, just hosed on there, wiped right off. I mean, it's a good, pretty good gun. I'm amazed, and I'm trying to figure out what honestly it outsprays. I would almost say it's on par with the Porpoise. Maybe. I'm not gonna say it's better, but I'm gonna say that it's pretty good. So if I was gonna spend money, I would buy this gun over the Porpoise. It's cheaper by a couple $100, I think. Yeah, by about a couple $100. And honestly, it sprays pretty good. I'm amazed that Eastwood actually did that good of a job. I mean, they are known for a lot of coatings. I have their, if you don't have their, if you do a lot of brake line flaring, their brake line flaring tool, the best there is. You can't buy one better. That's the best tool I ever bought for brake lines in my life. If you don't know anything about it and you do a lot of brake line flares or brake lines, buy that tool. That is for sure. But I would say that's probably one of the best guns that I've bought in the last couple months, to be honest. And I did not see this coming. I just didn't see it coming. I didn't even know this gun existed. And I just was like, I was gonna buy the LT100, I think that's what it is, because somebody in the comments had said it, and I was like, yeah, I'll grab that gun. And when I went and looked, I seen this, and I was like, well, let's see what this gun's about. And it's fantastic, to be honest with you. It sprays base really good, and it sprays clear really good. It feels good in the hand, the fan feels good. I give Eastwood props on it, and for the money, I give them props. Like, they did a great job. Well, I'll tell you what, guys, I don't know what we're going to do about the giveaway here, so I'm trying to figure out. I'm probably going to see if I got to go through the whole process of having, you know, you go and enter into this or that, or if I can just do it out of the comments. YouTube's kind of funny about some of that stuff, but I need to get rid of some of these guns. So throw your comments in there on what you want to do, and the next video I make after this, we will do the giveaway on some guns and get rid of them, because I have too many. And honestly, I like this Eastwood gun, but I'll probably throw that in there too. Probably get rid of about 4 or 5 of them. We'll just do a bunch of different ones. Hey guys, I appreciate it. If you got anything from this video, like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.